So now in this video we're going to look at the most important voltage when it comes to a monostable mode 555 timer. So the capacitor charging is what sets the timing. We have a resistor based on their two values. It'll take a certain amount of time to get to 2/3 of the supply voltage. So as the supply voltage goes up, a little more current will flow. It'll reach it at the same time. At slightly lower voltages, a little less current will flow. It'll make it to 2/3 of the supply voltage in the same time. That's the main takeaway. So it's got to go at 2/3 supply voltage. I'll raise the supply voltage to 7 volts. Has to go a little bit higher, but again, a little more current was going through the resistor. So ultimately, it gets to 2/3 at the same amount of time. But 6 volts lines this up better, where you get to 4 volts right there. So that is the monostable mode 555 timer. How long the capacitor goes from 0 volts up to 2/3 of the supply voltage. That's when that sets the output back low. But you have to trigger it to get the output high and get the capacitor charging.